Penny Parrot and the Very Wrong Prediction by Asmita. In a bright green jungle, Penny Parrot loved to guess what would happen next. She perched on a high branch with her friend, Jano the monkey. Look, Penny chirped, pointing her wing at some fruit. I predict those three big mangoes will fall down right now. Thump, thump, thump. All three mangoes fell to the soft grass below. Jano clapped his hands and cheered. Penny fluffed her feathers and felt very proud. See, she said with a big happy smile, I am very good at making predictions. Later that day, Penny saw Leo the lion resting in the shade. Leo's nose began to twitch and wiggle. I predict a giant sneeze is coming, Penny called out. Achoo! Roared Leo, shaking the leaves on the trees. Penny felt like the smartest bird in the whole world. Suddenly, Penny spotted a tiny gray cloud in the blue sky. It's going to rain, she shouted to all the animals. Everyone, get ready to get wet. But the little cloud quickly floated away, and the big yellow sun stayed out. It was a beautiful dry day with no rain at all. Penny hid her face behind her wings. She felt very embarrassed. I was wrong, she whispered. Leo walked over and patted her gently. It's okay, Penny, he said kindly. Everyone is wrong sometimes. Being honest is about it is what makes you a great friend. Penny smiled. She was happy just being herself. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening, and please subscribe to my channel.